Hey guys, I just unboxed the Magpul MBUS sights, so now I'm gonna install them for you. So the top one, just slide it on, then stick one screw in, and then put on the little thingy, hex-shaped thingy, and use a flat head to screw it in. Make sure not to tie it too tight. Ooh. Whew. Very nice. Oh yeah. Love that sound. Alright. So, wow. Well, that's the front sight. Now for the rear sight. I'm gonna pull back the charging handle a little bit, and that'll allow me to put it on. Yep, perfect. Then I'm gonna put it back to the lowest one. Alright, perfect. And then the bolt thingy, screw, stick it in, and then of course put the, oh, don't tell me I lost it. Found it. Stick it on. Put this right here. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, wait a second. Alright, got it. Now, make sure to tighten it. Perfect. No movement, no wobble. Very nice action. I will do a review on these as I do a review on this whole gun, which will be in like 5 minutes once I get everything back together. They're really nice. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.